Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review 𝗗𝗋𝗋. So 𝗗𝗋𝗋 is an AI powered website builder, and on Appsumo we have seen multiple AI website builders such as Lindo, and 𝗗𝗋𝗋 also looks very good. It does have the potential. You can simply describe to the AI what kind of website you want, what type of color you want, what type of content you want, and 𝗗𝗋𝗋 is going to generate your website with all these elements. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $400, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So you have the AI assistant in order to create the website. You have a lot of marketing features such as you can generate various posts for your social media using 𝗗𝗋𝗋. You can generate additional pages with AI. You get the site hosting from 𝗗𝗋𝗋, and with each website the SSL certificate is included. You also get access to the premium widgets, dynamic blocks, and the stock images. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49, where you can create 2 websites. You can add 50 contacts to the CRM. You can have 5 pages per website. So for example, if you add the contact us page or the about us page, each of these pages is counted as an individual page. You can also add custom domain. There is also tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, 5. And the highest one is this tier 6 that lets you create unlimited websites, unlimited contacts, unlimited pages per website. You can add custom domain, and the best part is you can also white label your platform. So if you want to buy 𝗗𝗋𝗋 on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of 𝗗𝗋𝗋. So after you log in, you're going to get this dashboard. So on the left side, you can see all of the primary features. We have the website feature where you can create your website. We also have some marketing features, but I'm going to explore them at the end of the video. But let me show you their roadmap first. So here's the roadmap of 𝗗𝗋𝗋. Here are all the planned features. And these 3 are in progress features. And you can also see one feature that has been completed. So now let me show you how to create website with 𝗗𝗋𝗋 super easily by the help of the AI. So click on this new website. And just like how you talk to a chatbot like ChatGPT, you have to provide your description about your website on this box. And a good feature is on the left side you can see some pre-given prompts. So if you want a website that is good for quick online presence, just click on this. And as you can see, the prompt is going to appear. Now you can simply press enter on your keyboard in order to send this to the AI. You can also use this SaaS prompt or the ebook prompt. So there are some pre-given prompts that you can use. So I'm not going to use any of them. Let's just remove them. So for example, I want a website where I can list all the anime themed t-shirts I want to sell. So this is going to be my description. Now just press enter on your keyboard. So now I have to provide the name of my business. Now let's send this. Okay, so now I have to provide what is the brand tone or the voice. I think that is for the content. So for example, I want friendly voice and tone. So let's send this. And then the AI is asking if I want to keep English as the primary language for my website. So I'm just going to say yes. Okay, so now I have to choose a color theme. So it could be light, dark red, or something else that I prefer. So for example, I prefer light theme for my website. So I'm just going to send this. So according to the nature of my business, the AI has came up with a color palette that is going to be suitable for my website. So I can also regenerate this palette, or I can use this. Simply click on generate the website now. Okay, so just see how fast it is. The website is now complete. I can see all the pages that are added to my website. So I have all the necessary pages for my shop, for my products. I even have page for blog. And then we have contact us page, privacy policy page. And obviously I can also add more pages. So if I just click on this blank page, so all I have to do is provide the slug for this page, for the new page that I want to create. And then press enter. And as you can see, the page has been added. So now I can also edit this page. So from here I can generate content. I can add sections, edit this section. So let's go to the home page of this website. So just like the new page that I created, I can also edit the other pages. So if I click on this plus icon, so as you can see, just by clicking on that plus icon, the AI has came up with some content for this page. So back to the home page. So here's the full website that I have got literally from the AI. I have not added anything at all. I have not designed anything at all. It is fully no code. So as you can see, this was the website, and everything that you see on this website is customizable. So this is the first section, and then we have another section, and this is the third section. So each of them are sections, and you can also add more sections. So if you just click on this plus icon, so here are all the built-in actions. So you can add header, hero, or this type of hero, or title, or testimonials. So there are various sections that you can add, and these sections are categorized. So if you need hero, you can simply go here and you can see all of the hero sections. You can also see the title section, testimonials, features, how it works. So there are a lot of sections. And other than this built-in section, there are also a lot of premium sections. So here are those. So you can add this article section, the review, trust box section, Instagram carousel, TikTok carousel. So this type of sections. And the premium sections are also categorized. So you can see the article section on here, the reviews, social feeds, forms, image and galleries, get creative sections, user engagement, website components, the media sections, list and cards, others, pop-ups and bars, and also sections for boosting sales. And in order to add this section, all you have to do is just click on that particular section, and then it is going to be added. And on each section, the content is generated by AI. So you can see this title, the subtitle. So you can also regenerate this content. Just click on regenerate. And as you can see, the title has now changed. So you can do the same for the other sections. You can also regenerate the content for this. You can also add more sections, and you can also edit this section. So this is the title for this section. You can also change the subtitle. So this one is the subtitle, customer support specialist. You can change the description, which is the name. You can then change the image. So this image. So keep in mind, this is the testimonial section, and we also have more sections. So you can also regenerate the content, add more sections, and you can also take them to top. So if you want to take this particular section to top, just click on this. And as you can see, it is now on top of this one. You can also delete this section, take it to the bottom. And if you click on this pencil icon, you can edit the content, which means this content, this one, and this one. So you can edit them. And if you go to the top, so for editing the content, other than clicking on this edit section, you can also click on any certain part. And once again, all the boxes are going to open that you can change in order to make changes to this section. So you can change the logos from here. So this logo that you can see on here, you can change the description, the subtitle, title, so all this content. And in order to change the header settings, you have to click on this. So now you can change the title, button 1 name. You can change this home, shop, these pages names. You can also add logo from here. And on top, other than the pages, you can also change the theme for your website. So just click on this. So these are some of the pre-given themes. You can also choose any of these color palettes. And you can also add your own custom palettes if you want. Then you can change some site settings. So the title, description, meta tags, featured image, and fave icon. So these are all the SEO settings for your website. And there are also some third-party settings. And if you want to add custom domain, you have to do that from here. And then you also have this undo, redo options. And when your website is completely ready, just click on this. And then you can publish your website. So if you save this, the website is going to be published. And you can also see the preview of your website with this custom link. So back to the dashboard. As you can see, this was the website that I have created. So now it is on the dashboard, and on any time I can edit the website or also delete this one. And there were some marketing features. So now let's explore those. So first one is this AI marketing. So using this feature, we can create new post. So just click on this. So for example, I want to create a Facebook post. So just click on this. And then I have to provide description about my business. And then I have to select the tone and click on generate. So as you can see, now we have got a post that I can share on Facebook as well as an image. So now I can discard this or also save this post. And there is also the CRM. So I have to select a project, and then the subscribers that I collect on my website, they are going to show up on this list. And there is also this AI Genie feature. So using this feature, I can write blogs or articles about my product, and then I can share that to my website. I can also write stories using the AI, write a poem, or write product description. So the main point is I can use this AI Genie in order to write literally anything that is related to my business. So overall, I think Stunning is an excellent AI-powered website builder. All you have to do is just describe what type of website you want, and then Stunning is going to deliver exactly that. And you have all the customization options. You can also add new elements once you have your website. And there are also some very good marketing features, such as you can write social posts, write articles or blog posts about your business. So that is really good. So if you want to buy Stunning on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also tier 3, 4, and 5. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.